Best pressure washer foam cannons improve cleaning efficiency, enhance foam coverage, reduce scrubbing time, protect surfaces, and deliver professional results. My today's video is about top 5 best pressure washer foam cannons that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at SwiftJet Car Wash Foam Gun plus Microfiber Wash Mitt. This SwiftJet foam cannon transforms a standard garden hose into a powerful, detailer-grade foam blaster without needing a pressure washer. Designed for simplicity, it attaches in seconds and delivers thick, rich suds that cling to surfaces, lifting dirt and grime before any contact wash. This helps reduce swirl marks and scratches, making it safer for paint, chrome, wheels, and trims. With its 6-level adjustable foam settings, users can fine-tune the output from a light rinse to heavy, clinging foam, allowing full control for quick maintenance washes or deep cleaning sessions. The ergonomic design makes car washing faster, easier, and more enjoyable, even for beginners. It replaces messy traditional methods with a more efficient, professional-style cleaning experience at home. Backed by the SwiftJet promise of customer satisfaction, it ensures reliable performance and support. Overall, it delivers convenience, protection, and high-quality foam results in one compact tool. Now our second product is Kakagama Pressure Washer Gun. This high-pressure foam cannon kit is designed exclusively for pressure washer systems, ensuring powerful and professional-grade cleaning performance. Built from durable stainless steel, it offers excellent resistance to corrosion and leakage, making it reliable for both home and light commercial use. The upgraded water-air dual-pipe mixing technology, combined with a precision foaming filter, produces thick, snow-like foam that clings to surfaces and breaks down dirt more effectively than standard foam guns. The complete configuration includes a pressure washer gun, 1L bottle, adapter, glove, nozzle holder, and 5 interchangeable spray tips, giving full flexibility for different cleaning tasks. With 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 25 degrees, 40 degrees, and 65 degree spray patterns, users can easily switch from concentrated high-pressure blasting to wide-area rinsing. The 1/4 Quick Connect system ensures fast setup, while the adjustable spray knob allows precise foam control. Ideal for cars, bikes, driveways, walls, and decks, it delivers efficient, versatile, and deep cleaning performance. Our third product is Tool Daily Foam Cannon. This adjustable snow foam lance is a powerful and versatile cleaning tool designed specifically for pressure washer systems, 1,000 to 3,000 psi, delivering professional-grade foam performance. It features a 1-liter capacity bottle and a durable 1/4-inch quick connect fitting for fast and secure attachment to pressure washer guns or wands. Setup is simple. Just mix soap with warm water, connect the lance, and adjust the top knob to control foam thickness and output. The adjustable nozzle allows precise foam dispersion, ensuring optimal coverage for different cleaning tasks. With 5 interchangeable spray tips, 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 25 degrees, 40 degrees, 65 degrees, users can switch from high-pressure jet cleaning to wide-area rinsing with ease. Built for efficiency, it produces thick, clinging foam that helps lift dirt and grime, reducing the risk of scratches during washing. Ideal for cars, motorcycles, roofs, driveways, siding, windows, and floors, it offers excellent versatility and deep cleaning performance for both home and detailing use. Now number 4, Astro AI Foam Cannon. This pressure washer foam cannon is built specifically for 1,000 to 3,000 psi systems, delivering strong, consistent foam performance for effective vehicle and surface cleaning. Designed with a 1/4-inch quick connect plug, it attaches easily to most pressure washer wands, ensuring fast setup and secure operation. Its wide-mouth bottle design makes soap filling simple and mess-free, while the heavy-duty foam core produces dense, clinging foam that improves dirt removal and reduces scrubbing effort. The adjustable top knob allows precise control over foam thickness, and the spray nozzle offers flexible patterns with 360-degree rotation for better coverage. Ideal for cars, bikes, motorcycles, driveways, roofs, windows, and siding, it reaches deep into tight spaces for thorough cleaning. The upgraded filter system helps protect internal components from damage, while proper maintenance ensures long-lasting performance. Easy to use and highly versatile, this foam cannon is a reliable choice for both home users and detailing enthusiasts seeking professional-level cleaning results. And our last choice is M-Mingle High-Pressure Washer Gun. This high-pressure foam cannon car wash kit is designed for powerful cleaning performance with pressure washers up to 4,000 psi and an M2214mm fitting. Built for durability and efficiency, it features a wide-neck 1L bottle that makes soap filling easy while preventing cracking or spills. The heavy-duty brass foam core and gun components ensure strong sealing, leak-free operation, and long-lasting use even under high pressure. With its adjustable foam system, users can fine-tune water and soap mixing using the top knob. Turning right increases foam density, while adjusting the nozzle changes spray patterns from a focus jet to a wide fan. The included 5 stainless steel nozzle tips, 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 25 degrees, 40 degrees, 65 degrees, provide versatility for cars, motorcycles, driveways, roofs, windows, and more. This complete kit also includes a short pressure gun, foam lance, and adapter, making it a professional-grade solution for deep cleaning, efficient detailing, and multi-purpose outdoor washing tasks. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.